When it comes to cooking, especially when you're cooking at home, you need to have patience so that it builds flavor. It needs time to develop its own character. Hi, I'm Alex Chen, chef at Boulevard Kitchen and Oyster Bar and Wild Blue in Whistler. I'm at the Wolf and Sub-Zero Kitchen at Trail Appliances in Richmond. Today, I'm going to share with you my French onion soup with a twist. Many people sort of in this world right now, they're all about what is this cooking hack? You can do it faster. I think when it comes to flavors, when it comes to seasoning, when it comes to the fact that it's the slow food, the braising part of it, it's a vibe. I think that you do need to have a calm demeanor to it when you're cooking a French onion soup. You're cooking for your family, you're cooking for your guests that you love. I think one of the biggest mistakes is not getting the right ingredients. We have a beautiful piece of prime beef short rib. Why stop there? If you don't have time to make the stock, you can buy quality one from the butcher shop that you trust. Look at the stock that we have. It congeals. So it's a lot of collagen, a lot of gelatin that's already been extracted from making a stock. There's a lot of shelf-stable stuff. When you open it up, it's just like water. The depth of flavors is not going to be there. And a bottle of balsamic, you can make so many times. It's not like we're using half a bottle. I strongly believe in using the right olive oil, using the right appliances, using the right stove, cookwares, alcohol, nice salt, nice pepper mill. Everything just feels right. If you're using the short rib, you're rushing it, it's either going to be overcooked, the meat's going to become really shreddy, it's going to become really pasty, or it's going to be undercooked, so it's going to have a little tough bite to it. And then onions is not caramelized long enough, it should just take time. It builds more flavor, more layers of flavors. That's the magic of slow cooking, building fundamental, reducing your wine properly, the flavor that just kind of wow, just something that just plays on with your palate. Just like any of the good wine, it should linger. If I'm going to make something, I'm going to plan to make sure that I have optimized the whole entire experience. For me, I owe it to myself. So you slow down a little bit, you're going to cook for your loved one, you're going to cook for yourself. So it's important that you have that. It's just part of your lifestyle. You're going to cook, you're going to calm down. So then, therefore, you're going to get the best result. When it comes to entertaining at home, when you have guests coming over, all the menu is all in the planning. With the right appliances, with the right freezer, fridge, and then the stove and then the oven, you can do so much in advance. This French onion soup can be made 7 to 10 days out. You can either put it in the fridge or you can put it in the freezer. Everything's all there, so it allows you to really just focus on putting all your energy in making that one item one day. Soup or stew should always be made a day before so that it just allows all the flavor to relax and homogenize. It always tastes better the next day. I like the Gruyère cheese. It could be Comté, it could be Gruyère, it could be Swiss cheese. You could also use cheddar if you want, but then the French will probably never talk to you again. And this is also one of those dishes that way it cannot be too perfect. You almost need that cheese to sort of eventually drips onto the side. Everything that I've just demonstrated has a little bit of Alex Chen in there. Making the proper broth, adding the right type of wine in there, and then reusing the stock and then using short rib. That's very much what I love. So whatever I love in there, if it's good enough for me, then for the most of the guests, it will probably be something that we can relate and then we can share with them. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more.